everyone, and welcome to the KT Universe channel. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the process of downloading and installing Visual Studio Code on both Windows 10 and 11. To begin, open your preferred web browser, whether it's Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or any other. For this tutorial, I'll be using Chrome as my default browser. Launch Chrome and in the search bar, type VS Code or Visual Studio Code and hit enter. You'll see the first link from the official Visual Studio website. Click on this link to open the download page. On this page, you'll find the Download for Windows option, which is the direct link for Windows. If you're using a different operating system, click the down arrow button to reveal options for macOS, Windows, and Linux. Select the download icon that corresponds to your operating system. In this tutorial, I'm selecting the direct link to download for Windows. Once you click to download, the download will begin, and you'll be redirected to a "Thanks for downloading VS Code for Windows" page. You can monitor the download progress in the top right corner. Click on the download icon when it's complete, and open the downloaded file. Now, Visual Studio Code is ready to install and a window will pop up with the license agreement. Click I accept the agreement, and then Next. You'll be asked to select the destination location. Verify the location and click Next. You'll then be prompted to choose a Start menu folder. If you don't want to create a folder in the Start menu, uncheck the box and click Next. Click Next again and then Install to initiate the installation process. The installation will begin, and all the necessary files will be set up. While it's installing, please consider subscribing, liking, and sharing this video. After all the files have been loaded, you'll reach the Completing the Visual Studio Code Setup Wizard screen. Click Finish. If you prefer not to open the software immediately, you can uncheck the box before clicking Finish. Now, you'll see Visual Studio Code, which might already have an additional theme applied if you're reinstalling it. To change the theme, go to the Settings option and click on Themes. You can choose from various built-in themes and select your preferred one. Below, you'll find some shortcuts that can be handy. In the top left corner, you'll notice 4 icons: Explorer, Search, Run and Debug, and Extensions. In the Extensions tab, you can easily download and install all the necessary extensions for coding. And they're all free. Today, we're going to take a closer look at one extension called Python, which installs the standard Python software within Visual Studio Code. If you've already installed this extension, you'll see options like Disabled and Uninstall. In future videos, we'll explore more extensions, so stay tuned for that. Our next video will cover how to install the Python interpreter in your system from the official website. And that's a wrap for today's video. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to support our channel. See you in the next video.